Hello Fletcher Farm fans. In this video we're going to take the 4630 and go get the water wagon that we're using to water the cows, and bring it down here and fill it up, because there's not enough water in it for tomorrow, and they need something to drink. We have to fill the trough up about every day. So, taking the John Deere, why are we using such a big tractor to go get the water wagon? Well, the 966 is right there and it's hooked to the disc. I don't really want to unhook it. And the 674 is hooked to my corn planter. So I'm not taking all the hoses and all the stuff off yet, so I'm going to take this and go get it. Probably can't see very much because of the sun, but let's do it. Yep. Pick a gear, any gear. J1. I don't really want to drive on this because I just dissed it with the 9. I want to go around it. I need to get the backhoe down here and push out that lovely pile of crap when we were feeding hay this winter. The reason why we're disking that, because we need to move that hump of dirt right out here into those ruts. I thought about doing it with a turn plow, but it'd probably be easier just to do it with the disc. We can disc it up real good, and then put the box blade on the tractor and push it over there in the road with the box blade and level it out. Yep. There's the geese, if you can see them. There's the cows. There's our homemade water wagon and cut tank with the top cut off of it that we use for the water trough. I'm about to hit that post. No, not quite. Come out of D, about B. It doesn't really like to go in reverse. Open the window. Maybe you can see the hits down there. If you can, I apologize. Let's go up a bit. And let's try that. What the crap are you doing? Almost. I don't think I can roll it. No, not far enough. Alright, we're going to go ahead and fill the tank back up, even though it's almost full with the water that we have. I got it wagon hooked up. I'm going to come up here. If you can tell where the water is, there's about that much in the bottom of it, which isn't enough to fill it up tomorrow. So, I'm going to fill it up today. They've done tore that off of it. That's what used to go right there. That's nice. This is Maybell. The mama and the new calf is over there in that corner. If you can see all the way over there. What is it? Some donkey. It's the same thing in the rest of the trough. Why don't you just drink it out of that? Cows aren't the smartest animals in the world. That's full. Well, let's head to the house. I like our new seat. It's nice. Let's pull away from that water trough real slow. Alright, don't look like it's busted. Let's go on. Come on. C1. Across this hill. Third gear. Just for reference, when that wagon is clear filled up with water, it weighs about as much as a four-wheel. Yeah, probably a four-wheel peanut wagon loaded, maybe a six-wheel. I don't know. Made it back to the yard. There's a hose here coming out of the ground. We're going to straddle it. And then I'll pull the hose up and stick it in the tank. Probably go something like that. Put her in park. Shut the window. I'm just going to fill the water tank up. I appreciate y'all for watching. We'll see you in the next one.